Yes, this is what we planted just barely almost 3 weeks ago. Presently, we have already begun to harvest even from the second week, and at least 4 family is already eating from these vegetables. This you can see is green. You can see it. This is green. This one is grass, which should be uprooted. It's not supposed to be there. And this is what they call ugu. The reason why it has not been staked is I want it to stay spread a bit before I create a table which the ugu will begin to clinch to. Here you have a wedu. We have lots of them, but we already have some challenges on this place. You can see this one. It has been eaten by caterpillar, and this farm is just purely organic farm. We use poultry manure, and the solution to overcoming this challenge of being infested by all this moth is to use either dongoyaro seed or the leaves. But today in this video I'm not going to show you how to make your inorganic insecticide, but I will want to show you that this 4 by 8 meter land is sufficient to even feed as much as 8 family for the whole year. All you need to do is to continue to remove the weeds